Dear students, I am your math teacher from Paramount Public School, Chima. Beta, today we will continue our next topic, represent rational number on number line. Beta, in class 6th you have learned how to represent integers on the number line. Here we will learn to represent rational number on the number line. Beta, there are two types of sum. First rational numbers like 3/5 and -3/5 means in which numerator is smaller than the denominator. Positive 1 means positive rational number and negative rational number. Clear beta? How to represent these type of rational number on the number line? Firstly beta, look here, 3/5. All the positive rational number in which numerator is smaller than the denominator, they lie between 0 and 1. They lie between 0 and 1. Means 0 is less than 3/5 less than 1. Means these types of positive rational number in which numerator is smaller than denominator, they lie between 0 and 1. Okay beta? So we have to work on the number line between the portion 0 and 1. Clear? So now I am representing 3/5 on the number line. This is our number line. Mark first here 0. You know very well, on the right hand side of 0 all the positive number, and on the left hand side of 0 all the negative number. 3/5, it is a positive one, so it will lie on the right hand side of 0. Now beta, clearly I explain here, it lie between 0 and 1. So leave here equal gap, 0 and 1. This is our 0 on the number line and this is a 1. Clear? This number lie between 0 and 1. But look at the denominator now. Denominator here is 5. So we will divide the portion between 0 and 1 into 5 equal parts. Understood beta? We will divide portion between 0 and 1 into 5 equal parts. Look at the denominator. Whatever the denominator is here, you have to divide the portion into that equal parts. Denominator is 5, so we will divide portion between 0 and 1 into 5 equal parts. So you will apply here equal cuts with the help of compass, or you can also mark here equal points on equal distance with the help of scale. Now I am dividing the portion between 0 and 1 into 5 equal parts. Beta 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I divide that portion into 5 equal parts. Clear beta? Now first number is 0. What is denominator here? 5. I can write 0 as 0/5 because 0 is divided by any number. The answer will be 0. First number is 0/5. After 0 beta, next number is 1/5. Next is 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and next number is 5/5. 5/5 means 5 cancel with 5, it is equal to 1. Understood? Now clearly you have seen where is our number 3/5. This is there. This is our number 3/5. In that way, you can represent the rational number on the number line. Which rational number? The rational number in which numerator is smaller than the denominator and positive one. They always lie between 0 and 1. And what about the negative one? In negative beta, we have to only change the side. You know, all the negative rational number lie on the left hand side of 0. So we will mark here 0. And here is our 1. Similarly, like that question, we will divide. What is denominator here? 5. We will divide that portion into 5 equal parts. You can apply here equal cut with the help of compass or with the help of scale. You can mark points at equal distance, 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Clear beta? Now first number as like the last question is 0. I can write it 0 upon 5. Next is minus 1 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5, minus 3 upon 5, minus 4 upon 5. Here is minus 1 beta, and minus 5 upon 5. 5 cancel with 5, it is equal to minus 1. Clearly you can see this is our required number, minus 3 upon 5. Understood? In that way, you can represent the rational number on the on the number line. Clearly, negative rational number lie on the left hand side of 0, positive lie on the right hand side of 0. Understood, beta? All the rational number in which numerator is smaller than the denominator and the sign is positive, they lie between 0 and 1. And in which numerator smaller than denominator, forget about the sign, and sign is negative, okay, they lie between minus 1 and 0. Means positive one lie between 0 and 1 and negative one lie between 0 and minus 1. Clear beta? In that way you can represent first type rational numbers on the number line. This is our first type, sums. Okay. Just beta, second type questions you have seen the rational number in which numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, positive one and negative one. Okay, how to represent these rational number on the number line? Like I want to represent 5 upon 4 on the number line. First of all, beta, in your rough work, only that one, you have to write 5 upon 4 in the mixed fraction, in the form of mixed fraction. When I will write it in the form of mixed fraction, it will be 1 and 1/4. 1 and 1/4, you know very well how to represent a number, a fraction in the form of a mixed fraction. Understood? How can I change improper one into a mixed fraction? You know very well. I have explained in the lesson of fraction. Now beta, when I represent 5 upon 4 into mixed fraction, I change it is 1 and 1/4. Now from here we will get an idea where that number 5 upon 4 lie on the number line. Clearly beta, it is greater than 1 but less than 2. Greater than 1 but less than 2. So this number lie between 1 and 2 on the number line. 1 less than 5 upon 4 less than 2. Means from that portion, by doing that work, you will get an idea where this number lie on the number line. From here we can easily judge 5 upon 4 is greater than 1 but less than 2. Okay, understood? So on the number line we will work on the portion between 1 and 2. Now beta, clearly 5 upon 4 lie between 1 and 2. Understood beta? Now I want to represent it on the number line as like we will mark here 0. 5 upon 4 positive sign is there, it will lie on the right hand side of 0. And it lie between 1 and 2. First part, beta, look here, 1 and 2. Between 1 and 2 means what is the denominator here? 4. So we will divide the portion between 1 and 2 into 4 equal parts. So according to that, you can leave here 2 equal gaps. Okay. Suppose I am marking here the equal sign. Here you are 1. And similarly at equal distance I will mark here 2. Clear beta? Now this number lie between 1 and 2. I have to work only in that portion 1 and 2. And what is the denominator here beta? What is denominator? Denominator is 4. That means I have to divide the portion between 1 and 2 into how many parts? 4 equal parts. So divide the portion between 1 and 2 into 4 equal parts. With the help of compass or scale, you can mark points at equal distance. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I have divided that portion into 4 equal parts. Now first number is beta 1. I can write, what is the denominator here? 4. So write 1 in the form of a number in which denominator is 4. I can write 1 as 4 upon 4. Clear beta? After 4, next number will be 5 upon 4. Next 6 upon 4. Next 7 upon 4. And next number is beta 8 upon 4. 8 upon 4 means 4 2s are 8. It is equal to 2. Now clearly you can see where is our number. This number lie here 5 upon 4. This is our required number. Clear beta? Understood? Similarly you can represent negative 1. In negative like minus 5 upon 4 you have to only change the sign. Mark here 0. Understood beta? This is our 0. And on the left hand side of 0 you can represent minus 5 upon 4 as like this question. Clear beta? Understood? In that way you have to represent the rational numbers on the number line. Yes beta, your exercise 4.6. First question is based on the representation of rational number on number line. Draw the number line and represent following rational number on it. You have to represent following rational number on the number line. I have explained how to represent the rational number on the number line. First question is beta 2 upon 3. Numerator is smaller than the denominator and sign is positive. That means this rational number lie between 0 and 1. Similarly here numerator is smaller than denominator, sign is positive. And numerator smaller than the denominator, sign is positive. Second and third also lie between 0 and 1. And fourth rational number beta minus 5 upon 8. Numerator is 5, denominator is 8. Means smaller and sign is negative. Okay, so it lie between 0 and minus 1. Similarly fifth one minus 3 upon 16. It is also lie between 0 and minus 1. And look at fifth lie between 0 and minus 1. Look at 6th, 7th and 8th. Okay, here is minus 7 upon 3 and 22 upon minus 7 and minus 31 upon 3. Look here, what is forget about the sign. Numerator is 7 and denominator is 3. Okay beta, means numerator is greater than the denominator. Understood? And sign is minus. Okay beta, so clearly it will be, understood beta, clearly it will be on the next portion, that minus 1 on the number line. Okay beta, when you will write 7 upon 3 in the mixed fraction, you will get an idea where it lie on the number line. Okay beta, and I will discuss here that question 7th part, 22 upon minus 7. Now beta, here the numerator is negative. Where you have seen, denominator is negative. Where you have seen denominator negative, first of all make it positive. Now we will make it positive. You know how to change the sign of denominator by multiplying with the minus 1. numerator as well as denominator. 22 multiply minus 1 minus 22, and minus 7 multiply minus 1, it is plus 7. Now it is changed into minus 22 upon 7. Now we have to represent minus 22 upon 7 on the number line. Clear beta? Okay beta, I have already explained you in the rational number in which numerator is greater than the denominator. Forget about the sign first. Okay beta? Understood? You have first write it in the form of mixed fraction. Okay? Like minus 22 upon 7. I am changing 22 upon 7 into mixed fraction. 22 divided by 7. 7 3s are 21. Remainder is 1. So it is equal to beta 7, 3. And what is your remainder here? 1. Clear? And sign is of minus. Understood? Means that rational number minus 20. From here we get an idea. Minus 22 upon 7 lie between, look here, lie between minus 3 and minus 4. Minus 3 and minus 4. Clear? Understood? So we have to work on the portion between minus 3 and minus 4. Clearly that rational number is minus 4 less than minus 22 upon 7 less than minus 3. Clear? On the number line means minus 22 upon 7 is greater than minus 4 but less than minus 3. Clear? We have to work only on the portion between minus 3 and minus 4. Clear? Now beta, negative rational number minus 22 upon 7, you know they lie on the left hand side of 0. Mark here 0. Now it lie between minus 3 and minus 4. Mark here equal cuts. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Clear beta? Understood? I have lack of space. You can increase the space, any equal space you can increase according to your gap, because we have to divide. What is the denominator here? 7. We have divided the portion between minus 3 and minus 4 into 7 equal parts. So space should be more. Understood beta? Separately I am showing here. Here you will divide space between minus 3 and minus 4 into 7 equal parts beta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Clear? Understood? And that portion I am showing here. I am showing here due to lack of space. You can increase the space on your notebook so that your numbers are clearly visible on the notebook. Understood beta? This is minus 3, minus 4. You can increase the space. How many parts I have divided the portion between minus 3 and 4? Denominator was 7. That means you have to divide that portion into 7 equal parts, as like here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Clear beta? In that way you can apply equal cuts with the help of compass, or you can mark equal point with the help of scale. Understood? Now beta, I want to represent minus 22 upon 7. Denominator is 7. So write minus 3 in the form of a number in which denominator is 7. So I can write minus 3 in that way. Minus 21 upon 7. 7 3s are 21. It will be minus 21. And after 21, next number is beta 22 upon 7. Next number is minus 23 upon 7. Next is minus 24 upon 7. Next minus 25 upon 7. And next is beta that number 26 upon 7. And this is minus 27 upon 7. And this number is minus 28 upon 7. 7 4s are 28. It is cancelled on 4. So it is equal to minus 4. Now clearly you have seen where your number minus 22.7, it lies here between minus 3 and minus 4. Clear beta? Understood? In that way you have to try 8th part and 6th part. Clear beta? I hope, I'm sure you can easily solve these types of problems. This is all about today. Okay, solve these questions by yourself. Thank you beta.